Okay, on this edition of Tommybird kind of went gay. Kind of disturbed to say.
Oh my god!
You hear him?
Yes, good!
He thinks he's a ghostbuster.
I am the ghostbuster!
And he's probably grabbing his saber right now.
No!
But anyway, you see how I kind of thinned him up? Now let's see what happens.
Hey, get him down over here so we can have better light.
Let's see what happens when I do this.
What you gonna call, bitch? I heard you got some ghosts in here and shit.
Oh, I gotta get this thing to fucking play.
Where's the ghost?
Well, just so you guys know, this is just kind of like a spoof episode, getting you ready for next week.
I can breathe. Oh,
Oh, well, the music's about to start. Here you go.
I can't feel my nuts!
Like I said, you didn't fag.
I'm not fag! I'm just perfect. There's something between your legs.
Wait, there we go.
Oh, that.
God.
Hey, you lost his head.
This is really disturbing. There's Robbie getting his sanity back.
She just pinched herself. Alright, dude, I'll give you $30 to keep it on.
What is this, Thriller all of a sudden? I'm not sure.
And cut!
He stopped.
Is this it for... I'm curious. Curiosity killed the cat, though.
This is wrong.
Okay, let me get back on the computer. I gotta finish what I was doing. Gotta go.
Puppet!
The fuck?
I can't right in front of my face! My face! Oh!
Okay, go change.